kemarin, Pak. Nah, sebelum itu kita mau beli makan dulu. Nah, ini udah sampai. Yeay. Cus kita ke parkirannya. Oke, langsung aja kita menuju ke loketnya untuk menukarkan tiket. BTW aku beli tiketnya di TikTok Shop. Ini kita menuju ke hewan pertama yang kita lihat. Nah, di sini tuh ada dua hewan. Yang pertama ada buaya senyulong. Buaya senyulong ini berasal dari Sumatera dan Kalimantan. Nah, ini buaya dari Pesedahan. Nah, di hewan kedua ini ada leopard atau macan tutul. Macan tutul adalah hewan terkecil dari anggotanya, yaitu kucing besar. Nah, karena gue pendek, jadi buaya senyulongnya gak kelihatan. Ya udahlah ya. Menuju hewan ketiga. Nah, di sini videonya udah agak berantakan ya. Videonya kesyut kura-kura, tetapi tulisannya green iguana. Ternyata iguananya tuh sebelah sana.
Kali ini tersesat.
Hewan keempat ada burung. Di sini tuh ada berbagai jenis burung. Tapi sayang sekali kita melewatkan satu pertunjukan, yaitu Animal Education Presentation, karena kita datangnya tuh jam 11-an ya kalau nggak salah, dan pertunjukannya itu di jam 10.15 sudah mulai. Nah, di sini tuh ada berbagai pertunjukan jenis hewan. Ada burung, ular, kera, dan ada hewan yang sering kita temui di setiap harinya, yaitu anjing, kucing, dan bahkan ada tikus, dan masih ada banyak hewan lainnya. Tujuan kita kesini sebenarnya bukan hanya untuk melihat hewan-hewan. Selain itu juga kita mengingat waktu kita SD tamasya kesini. Ternyata itu udah lama banget, sekitar kurang lebih 10 tahun. Oke, akhirnya kita sampai di Tiger Show. Nah, di Tiger Show ini super duper rame banget, sampai-sampai kita nggak ada tempat duduk. Lihat seperti lautan manusia. Ini kita ngemper duduk di bawah karena nggak ada tempat duduk lagi. Benar-benar serame itu, guys.
Dewi Durga merupakan sakti dewa Siwa dengan kekuatan maha dahsyat yang mengendarai hundreds of 60 kilometers per hour, but cannot chase fast prey like deer for long distances. When the tiger is close enough, it springs from cover or jump down from trees dan menyambut masuk. Sebaiknya harimau terbiasa menjadi pohon. Pada mereka juga belajar berdua di mana. Setelah releasing 8 tigers to their natural habitat since 2008. We also manage a breeding programs and a world-class Sumatran tiger genome resource bank. In 2013, Taman Safari Indonesia conducted the world's first artificial insemination of wild tigers with the hope of saving the genetic diversity.
And Conservation Center.
Setelah di Tiger Show, kita menuju ke Kampung Gajah. Ini kita cepet-cepetan jalan ke Kampung Gajah karena biar kita dapat tempat duduk, guys. Dan ini benar-benar serame itu, guys. Untungnya kita cepet-cepetan tadi dan dapat tempat duduk. Maunya sih yang di tengah itu ya, tapi udah di booking sama anak-anak TK.
Life in the forest was peaceful. There was plenty of food and space for humans and animals to live happily together. Elephants were once many in Sumatra and could be found almost anywhere on the island. The elephants live in a very large group, which are led by the most experienced female in the group. The female are usually able to give birth at the age of 10 years to a single calf after a 22 months pregnancy period. The between wild elephants and human in Sumatra.
continue without doing anything? It's time for us to be aware and care about elephant conservation, so they can be conserved and still exist for the next young generation. To overcome the conflict between wild elephants.
Pengen jadi pacar biar menghabiskan waktu sehari dengan makan. Yang membutuhkan air 220 ml per hari, sedangkan Malaysia 4 liter per hari. Wajib menghabiskan 150-300 kalori per hari untuk dan kalau manusia menghabiskan yang lain sih ada 2 liter. Jadi ayam
remote-nya lagi. Dan kan ninju juga. Oke. Sini mana? Lidin lidur. Menjulur.
ini lucu banget guys, rusanya berantem
Ini bagaimana?
demi merebut sebatang kangkung.
menyelinap. Komodo ini ini dong lampu.
Itu nih.
Ini galak aja.
Aduh, merebut.
Santai dong.
Cara domba ada. Lah memori nih dan HP-an nih. Yang HP. Gila dibalikan langsung belah nih.
Nice try. Nih.
Real Madrid.
ketemu-temu aja so.
Cara yang begalak ketemu-temu Pak.
Misalnya
Cara Manti tidak. Tempat Bang Manti. Manti. Mortanga Bang. Ini mortanga.
Paut.
Ketuang. Langsung tenan. Langsung tenan ada video. Terpaksa.
Coba jelaskan kan ini Himalayan Porcupine.
Dia sekali sudiananya nanti. Sekali
Sudah di
Ini di yang menjelaskan tentang
nih. Ini bisa berjalan.
saya tentang bonus ini.
Yuk. Wah, reptil. Nih panak nih. Ih, mati tuh asli tuh.
Ini. Oke.
Hewan suatu yang
Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? Good. Yeah, baby rusa on the right side. Yeah, they're sleeping. If you cannot see the animals, you can stand up for a moment from your chair. That's fine. Yes, everyone for the baby rusa. Yeah, but this one forbidden to become a baby guling. Or yeah, if you wanna try, you will go to jail after. Be protected because they're endemic animals in the island. They be called babi rusa also because the male got long upper tusk, look like a deer's antler. And also the left we have owl in tree hole. Di sebelah kiri lubang pohon. Burung hantu. Yes, everyone for the owls, since basically they're a nocturnal animal, they're spending most of the time to sleep during the day or usually just taking for the Yes, everyone, for saltwater crocodiles, they are the largest reptile that live now. They can weigh up to 1 pound and 6 meters for the length. And also, everyone, did you know we see the crocodiles up yeah, and then on the right side, we have Sumatran elephants. Sumatran elephant is the second smallest elephant in the world after pygmy from Borneo Island. They only weigh about 4 tons or 4,000 kilograms. Ya, jadi gajah Sumatera ini merupakan jenis gajah terkecil kedua di dunia setelah gajah pygmy dari Kalimantan. Beratnya ini sekitar 4 ton.
bela bela.
To the left or maybe on the right side. Yeah, so for the Japanese everyone. Yeah, that's function like to help them find food and way. Ya, jadi untuk lebar mereka punya moncong panjang dan membantu mereka makan dan jalan ya. I think Korea is about us. She's looking close. Yeah, at the back. Yeah, and it's maybe seduced by the male deers. Yeah, the brother. But I guess.
Bang Tria. Ini Bang Tria.
Ya, jadi untuk orang-orangnya di sini ada yang kecil.
Mana di gelantungan?
Nah, orang-orangnya namanya Benjiro, umurnya sekitar 4 tahun. Ya, he's about 4 years old. Yeah, since the orangutan are basically the largest ape in Asia, they can be weighed around 80 to 100 kilograms. Ya, mereka bisa mencapai bobot sekitar 80 hingga 100 kilo. Yeah, then we're going to the water again. Hold on tight, 1 kilometer away. Yeah. Do we have a small kid with a loud voice here? He does look so calm. No crocodiles, honey, it's just a stone. It's a stone.
Honey bear. Ruang madu.
Another one. Let's say first. Thank you. Only 5, maybe yes. Oh, she's telling her, don't go close to my husband. Hey, remember, that's my husband. Yeah, right. So everyone, you can also see the small car that's Jeep 4x4 Land Rover activity. It's our private tour area. Ya, jadi untuk yang Jeep car-nya ini private tour ya untuk safari journey-nya. Jadi nanti bisa kasih makan satwa. Mungkin kalau ada berminat bisa ke petting zoo untuk ambil tiketnya ya. Jangan lupa dibayar. Anybody watch Masha? Yes. Yes. The boys in the back also say yes. You watch Masha? You watch Masha? Yeah. Which episode you would like? Yeah, I like the laundry one. Suddenly she got a lot of clothes, but not changing. Yes, everyone, for the Himalayan black bears, they also call it on their chest. Yeah, they also the one that have.
Biaya makerem.
Oh my God, you're so lazy.
Jajah.
No, we'll not say the stone. It's a hippo. Yes, everyone, they are father and son. Yeah, where's the mama? Mama go shopping. Yeah, but usually mamas will go to the
Kan
sun
bapak.
first. Nails done, hair done.
Kemana?
Happy. Yeah. Oh, you want to feed them? We have another one that you can feed them. Big
Bengong
baby.
gitu.
Sleep in a very
Enak.
Yeah, most of the carnivore love sleep because their metabolism or digestive system
Enak.
goes weakened while they're sleeping. Ya, jadi pencernaannya jauh lebih cepat untuk karnivora. Yeah, that's also the reason everyone eat. Yeah, let's call the names are Neil, Jesse, and Jesslyn.
Muntah.
Yeah. I just named them.
Kan teguhan itu aja.
Yeah. Oh, that's another one. Maybe that one is Luna.
Nah,
Yes, everyone, for the ostrich on the left, maybe can you see the difference between male and female? No. Oh, it's seen. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, and also usually the color is also dark. Yeah, and also everyone, uniquely, that the ostrich got a very big egg, yeah, around 1.5 kilograms for the weight. And also the one that have responsible to take care of the egg during the nesting season is the male, like a penguin. Yeah, what the female do? Laying eggs and go. Yeah. Yeah, then on the left we have Dylan. Yeah, that's also baby. Yeah, right next to you. Yeah, and also the first baby is over there. He's adult adult already. Yeah, and also this is the mama. Yeah, mama is a bit sad because papa goes to cruise. Maybe. Yeah, so everyone, for the eland, they're the largest antelope. Yeah, in Africa, and also I can say here, the big wings can run fast. The ledgeway does too, at the front. The one with golden brown color and a small body, and the one that pooping. Yeah, can you see the tail up? That's pooping. And actually, she's a mama too already. And also, there's two female ledgeway that's still pregnant. Yeah, sometimes everyone, you can also witnessing how the ledgeways or the antelopes here giving birth to their own baby, saving much budget. Yeah, so actually their sweat gland can produce waterproofing liquid that protect the skin, so it can be avoided from the dirt. And also the smell is very good too. It can keep the lions away. Yeah, so maybe ladies, if your baby eyebrow mascara not so waterproof, you can also try to mix with the liquid. Yeah, but it smells so good. Okay, let's get to the bed. Kenzo, you're coming. Yeah, we have a couple, Kenzo and Kelly. Kelly sleeping in the cave. Kenzo and Kelly. Wow. Hi. Yeah, he's about 11 years old. Yeah, anybody same age? 11 years old? No? Okay, so how old are you? You are 9. Okay. How old are you, boy?
Boy.
Yeah, you are. You first. Maybe you first. Yes, you are. Who's 12? Sleeping.
Simba.
This year. Which month? April. Wow, we also have the one that born in April. Which date? April 4. 4. With our animals. Yeah, the ticket, the cake, you bring it by your own. Yeah, we only provide the animals. Yeah, then that's Kelly. Kelly's about 10 years old. Yeah, so everyone different from tigers. They're having physic love like weight. Different. For the females, these are different. They only stay here, and also they got very serious diet. They have something happened before, and also the doctor choose to have the very strict diets, really strict. Yeah, and then we have our 6 years old giraffe. Her name is Corona, since she was born during COVID. That's why we named her after the coronavirus. But usually West people just call her as a bear. Yeah, and then Granny Zebra. His name is Nicky, 14 years old. Yeah, 14 years old. He's already got wife and baby. Yeah, the lifespan are different from us. So please, children, to take a sample. Yeah, at least you need to marry by 30 and you need to have a house first.
Apa dan? Kenapa badan zebra
Who is 14?
belang-belang?
Okay, the one with the cap. You have girlfriend already? This is from my friend.
Udah.
Yeah, I'm so sorry that the camel's not waiting for you. They're waiting for the hour. Yeah, they know the schedule.
So aja.
Animals
So
actually
aja.
like their parents are also like knowing about the schedule very well. Yeah, see the gate open again. Yeah, and also on the right side we have one to see African red cow. Yeah, they got very much horns. And also it's amazing to know and also inform you. The horns are function like AC. Yeah, to cooling down their body. So each time their body temperature go high, the blood runs to the heart, cooling down there like a radiator and go back to their body. Yeah, so everyone, if you feel like mad, you know the species mandrill monkey. Yeah, so we got actually Valentino and Frankie. Oh, sorry, honey, we cannot have a gorilla.
Ngapain dek?
This
Ngapain
place
dek?
are too
Ngapain dek?
small.
Ngapain dek? Anjay. Mantap kawan. Gede lagi.
Yeah. So we can plan to have gorilla, but maybe not soon. And also East African. And also up on the road we have Barbary sheep. Yeah, they can jump high around 2 meters, so that's why we put them in a very high place too. Yeah, and also we do have babies also inside. Yeah, ini domanya sering salah kira di Mayan, and also you can see the rhinoceros over here. His name is Nelson, about 30 years old. Anybody 30 maybe? Yeah, and also everyone, lapras, so they can have a breakfast too.
Gede.
Yeah, the problem is the zebras will stay outside. What's the animals getting? In the mosquito. Yummy. And also the house lizard with a bat too, and sometimes birds as well. And also then we have wildebeest or canoe. Ya ada wildebeest juga. Nanti kalau ada yang mau staycation bisa di sini ya, disaksikan oleh para zebra. That's Azanti. Azanti, what are you doing? Oh, she's just a tourist and explorer. Maybe from the
Bad.
Yeah, so the one giraffe have this one kind of problem. Their legs is not that flexible, and also their bones also not kind of flexible. So if they want to eat food from the ground, they need to spread their legs first. And also they have same the mirrors for the bones inside their neck, only 7, but the gap is very wide. Yeah, this is very cute. Oh, that's also another 2 on the right side. The line is. Yeah, these are Anggun and Kalista. Oh, look at the eyes. The name is nice, Anggun and Kalista. Yes, Anggun also mean like pretty, elegant. Yeah, but believe me, everyone, the character is not that pretty. Yeah, she likes to play with the keeper and also trying to steal the shoes and also not letting the keeper coming home. There must be a problem that caused by her. Yeah, like if it's the time to going home, then she doesn't want to go home. Yeah, look, back now. Maybe no, or maybe yes, or maybe no. On the right side, honey.
Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.